Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mr. Market. So let's see where market can move tomorrow, which stocks you can trade and the logic behind that. So let's start. First let's start with Nifty. So let's take a quick recap for Nifty. So yesterday we discussed in Nifty that this 14,760 is a very big resistance for Nifty. If it goes above this and a 1 or 2 15-minute candle closes above this, then only you have to go for buy. And for selling, I told that if market opens flat and first 15 minutes candle is red, then you can go for short. So I hope you made a good profit in Nifty. Okay, today our target was this only 14,610, and exactly from here only it reversed. Let's see for tomorrow what you can do tomorrow. So see, for tomorrow this level is intact, that is 14,760. This is a very crucial resistance for Nifty. Okay, because before it has taken multiple times support from this level and now it's resisting from this level. Okay, so tomorrow if it breaks 14,761 and sustains for 15 to 20 minutes, you can go for buy. Your first target will be this 14,850. Next target you can take till here 14,950. Okay, and for selling you have to apply the same logic, that is if market opens flat and first 15 minutes candle is red, then you can go for short. First target will be here 14,610. Next target you can take till 14,500. Okay, so this is it for Nifty. Let's see for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, yesterday we discussed that this 34,420 level, till Bank Nifty is below this level, you have to not execute any buy order. Okay, above this only we have to buy. And for selling we discussed that if Bank Nifty opens flat and first 15 minutes candle is red, then you can go for selling. Okay, and today it almost fall more than 2%, so I hope you made a very good profit in this. Okay, so let's see for tomorrow what you can do. So see, tomorrow this level, that is 33,400. From here only it has taken support today multiple times. Okay, so this becomes a crucial level for it. So tomorrow if it opens flat and go below this level, that is 33,400, you can short Bank Nifty. First target will be 33,000 and next target will be till here, that is 32,800. And for buying, see, for buying, if first 15 minutes candle is green, then you can go for buy. Okay, first target will be here 34,000 and next target you can take till 34,200, not a big target. So let's see stocks, which stocks you can trade. So for stocks, let's come here only. So first one is MGL. See, MGL, there is simple logic. This pole and flap. See this. MGL, there is this pole and flap. So tomorrow if MGL goes above 1133, then go for buy. First target will be 1140, next target will be 1150. Stop loss here 1125. Okay, so let's see other stock, that is Grasim. So Grasim, if you see this level, from here it's resisting. Okay, and one more thing, see, you will see here that is head and shoulder patterns. Okay, so here will be a breakout, that is exactly here. Let me delete this. So here will be a breakout. So tomorrow if it goes above 1418, go for buy. First target 1424, next target you can take till 1432. Stop loss below, that is 1416. Okay, let's see other stock, that is Tata Chemicals. So Tata Chemicals, if you see, there is also same the pole and flag. See, there was a momentum and now it's halting. Okay, now it's halting in this range. So tomorrow it can give a breakout upside. So for tomorrow if it goes above 766, go for buy. First target 775, next target you can take till 780 and stop loss will be here, that is 760. Okay, so let's see other stock. Other stock is Zeal. So for Zeal, see this level, exactly 214. It's very crucial level for Zeal because before it has resisted from this level multiple times and now it's taking support. And if you see, you'll see this M pattern is Zeal and it's near breakout. So for tomorrow, if it breaks 214 and one 15-minute candle closes below 214, go for short. First target will be here, that is 211. Next target you can take till here, that is 209. Okay, and for buying, if first 15 minutes candle is green and it's about 214, then you can go for buy. Okay, first target will be here, that is this high 217 exactly, you can take till here. Next target you can take till 220. Only buy if first 15 minute candle is green and stop loss will be 214 only. Okay, so let's see last stock. Last stock is Cipla. So Cipla also same logic, that is pole and flag. This was a momentum. Okay, and now it's halting in a range. So tomorrow it can give a breakout upside. So if it goes above 775.5, go for buy. First target will be this side, that is 780. Next target you can take till here, that is 788. Okay, stop loss will be here around, that is 773. Okay, so that's it for today.